Hello all, hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to see the new features on the flow provided in the Summer 20 release. Hope you all know that after Summer 20, we need not to have process builder for just invoking the flows. Now, flows also has the same set of options that are available in process builder. If you see here, they have added a record after save updates, schedule flow, platform event. For previously, we just only had screen and auto launch, but three more are there now. And here I'm going to create a simple flow to update a contact records when account record is updated. So it's like I'm going to update the phone number of the account, and my expectation is the same phone number should get updated in the all related contacts. So for that, I'm going to create a flow. Let's go ahead and see how to do that. So I am in the flow creation page, and I'm going to select record after save updates, creating it, and I'm editing here to say the record is created or updated and after the record is saved. That's okay, and I'm going to choose the object which is account, and once it is set, we are going to get the record from the account. So I'm going to get records here from the contact object. Account ID equals. So if you remember, we would be using process builder to pass the ID to the flow. So here they have added that option over here itself. So we are just providing the account ID uh, to this, sorry, contact ID to the account ID. And we need all the records, and this option is okay. To save it and map it. So once it is done, we need to do loops. Let's say loop. So since we added the contacts here, it automatically fetches the contacts. And I'm going to leave this as this. That is it. And after this loop, I'm going to create another assignment element. Say assign contacts. So here we are going to select this variable and choose the phone field. Yeah, that equals global variable of account and phone. Simply map it. That's all here. And this one, yes, for each item. And after the assignment, we have to store all the data that we are getting into a collection. So for that, we have to do another assignment. But before that, we have to create a resource to store those values. I would go ahead and create a resource that would be a variable at update. It is on the record, and we are allowing multiple values to add it in the collection. Object is contact, and add this available for input and output. That's it. So let's go ahead and create another assignment element. Let's say add to collection and choose the one we contact to update. Choose the this variable and uh, choose add operator, and here choose this loop. That is it. So here we are just adding the records into that loop. That is it. So map this one, and so like after getting the records, the loop will keep on execute till like all the contacts. So we would have 100 contacts in the accounts, so this loop will go on till the last contact is updated. So that's what this loop is for. And after everything, we have to update the records. So let's see, update contacts. And this is fine. So select the reserve. Yeah, select the one we have created. So cool. Map it. I think it should work, but if not, then let's debug together. Update. Okay, let's save it and activate it. Okay, let's go to the account. So this account is having some phone number, and these are the contacts having the same number. Let's go ahead and edit the number. So let's try to delete the number first. Okay, see, it's working. So all the phone numbers are deleted automatically, and if I am editing with the other number, say 413, have more numbers. Okay, let's save it. Cool. So it's automatically updating it on the contact records. So that's all for this, guys. Like, so here we are getting the records, and this loop will keep on execute till all the contacts are assigned to this collection. And then once it is done, this loop will complete it, and it will go for update records element, and they're updating all the records. So it is just a simple flow. I'm planning to do a sequence of flows by playing around with this features provided in the Salesforce release. Let's see what we can do next. But for this video, that's all I have. We are getting rid of the process builder, and we are doing everything in the flow directly. So that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Until then, stay in home and stay safe till this pandemic goes away. Thank you. Bye bye.